Good people, welcome back to Ben's Farm in conjunction with the Joles Farm, and we just want to show you the progress of a video we took about cherry tomatoes. We took it while that was around 3 weeks ago, and the cherry tomatoes were around, is it 2 months or 1 month and a half?
2 months and a half.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
And guys, as you can see, this was the cherry tomatoes which we took 3 weeks ago in a greenhouse. They're done in a greenhouse, and you can see how they are forming. You can see. You can see. You can see that is the size of cherry tomato. So that one they are due. They'll start the harvesting this week, and it's gonna run like we said. When you do these cherry tomatoes or tomatoes in a greenhouse, you can take up to even 6 towards 1 year of harvesting. That is if you take good care of the tomatoes. So Victor,
Yes.
tell us what's up with the cherry tomatoes. What is the progress? I'm sure you have had some ample time with the cherry tomatoes.
Yeah.
You are at least in peace because you have done them in a greenhouse.
Yeah.
But I'm sure that there must be just a few challenges,
That's
small
true.
ones,
Yeah.
here and there. Yeah, brief us about them.
Okay. Good afternoon, good people. Welcome to Joles Farm.
Guys, whatever you're watching, maybe it could not be good, an afternoon to you, but here in Kenya it's an afternoon. I believe maybe it could be early in the morning from your side or something, or maybe late in the evening.
Yeah.
So, okay.
Yeah. So welcome to Joles Farm. Today I want to take you through cherry tomato farming. I remember the last, was it 2 to 3 weeks ago? That was the last
Exactly.
time we were here.
Yes.
The crop had already started. It was now in the flowering stage and fruiting.
Yes.
Yeah. As for now, it is a good progress, and we also thank God for it.
Yes.
Because now, our first harvest, it will be on this coming week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so I was right.
So it's already, as you can see, there are few colors, green and red, semi-ripe. Yeah. I'm very happy, as you can see.
Yeah. Did you basically most of the things here were only feeding the crop.
Yeah.
Most of it feeding the crop, and maybe did you do any pesticide?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
Okay.
at what interval?
Okay, I remember anytime, for any advice I can give to any farmer who wants to do the farming of cherry tomato, from the start, from planting day,
Yes.
transplanting day, always ensure that you treat your soil.
Okay.
Okay, then another thing, you make, for you to succeed well,
Yes.
at least look for any soil amender or conditioner for it to avail the nutrients to the crop.
Okay.
Yeah. Another thing, maintain insecticide control, fungals. Yeah. Another thing, foliar.
Yes.
So foliars in which way now? Like now, from the start of transplanting,
Yes.
you maintain it. You spray, you maintain the proper spray plan.
Yes.
Yeah. You feed it for it to grow.
Okay.
Mostly we usually look for the nitrogen content.
Yes.
So you have to feed it for it to have enough nitrogen to form the vegetativeness. Yeah.
Okay.
Now when it comes to fruiting,
Yes.
always look for proper fruiting foliar
Okay.
or flowering.
Okay.
Yeah. So we have spread several foliars. At least, as you can see, there are fruits, and there are also the other flowering which are coming up.
Yes.
So that will assist in that production consistent. At least in every week,
Yes.
we will always be having an harvest.
Yes.
Yeah.
So tell me something.
Yes.
Is there much difference between these cherry tomatoes and the normal tomatoes?
Yeah.
What is the difference apart from size?
Okay. Apart from the size, maybe the mode of growing.
Okay.
The normal, maybe I show you a good example of this one.
Uh-huh.
The normal tomato
Yes.
can't even get at this height.
Okay.
Is it true?
I'm not sure because I normally
mostly
see
they
in the
usually grow-
greenhouse,
Yeah.
the normal tomatoes also grow as tall
Okay,
as
normally,
this.
but the normal,
Oh, in the field.
yeah,
Okay.
the normal tomato, it can't even go more than maybe a meter.
It's a meter.
Yeah,
Yes.
it can't even go a meter. Like this one can even go. There are others which are tall, like
Uh-huh.
that one.
Yeah, I can see that one. Yeah,
more
yeah.
than
The far end.
Yeah.
Yes,
That
yes.
is another uniqueness of the
Cherry tomatoes. Okay.
from the normal tomato now.
Yes.
Yeah, now another thing, the normal tomato, if you look at maybe the way they are forming their fruits,
Yes.
it's different.
So you see the cherry tomatoes, this is
Yeah.
how they form the fruits.
Yeah.
And you can see how when they grow, it's like the line top.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
Though also there's another, the common shape.
Yes.
The common, there's always that common shape.
Hmm.
There are varieties. There are several varieties.
So let me ask you something.
Yes.
You find the normal tomatoes.
Yeah.
If it's a branch like this, it only has like 4 to 5 tomatoes.
Okay, I have an example. I have one here.
You have the normal one?
You can come with.
Okay.
So this is the normal tomato.
Oh yeah. Yeah,
So
this is the normal tomato, right?
If you look at the pattern at which they are forming,
Yes.
it is different.
Yeah.
From
This is like 5 to 6
maybe
fruits.
give it 5.
Give it 5,
yeah.
compared to
To the cherry tomatoes.
cherry
now.
tomatoes.
If you look
There's
at
so
them,
many in a branch.
Yeah, there
It's
are
like
so many.
10
And
to
they-
15.
There are some like these one which have subdivided into several branches.
Yes.
At each branch, maybe at a minimum of 10 fruits.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what we usually give it.
Yeah, okay. Guys, this is the normal.
Yeah.
Done in a greenhouse. And this is the cherry tomatoes. You can see how they grow. Okay. Uh-huh. Yeah, we've seen the difference.
Yeah.
And in terms of pricing, are they different? Have they priced a little bit higher than the normal tomatoes, or what happens?
Okay, what you usually do here, the packaging of the cherry tomatoes is in terms of pallets.
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 Huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
So maybe per pallet it can even go at around 150, 120. When the market is very low, maybe at 100.
Yes, and of course, one branch is enough to fill one pallet.
And each per packaging in terms of pallet, usually go with grams.
Okay.
250 grams.
Okay.
It can't even go beyond that. So if you calculate the normal tomato cost, maybe a kg, it can be the cost of one that pallet.
Yeah.
So this one is a bit expensive.
Let me ask you something else.
Yeah.
Because of the size and the size of the normal tomato, does that mean that cherry tomato takes less time to mature because of the small size, or what is it? Is it?
Okay, it really matters too. As I told you, the normal tomato, it can go 3 months.
3 months.
And then this one can go 4 months.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. Before they mature.
Before they mature.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now I got you. Guys, you can see. So what was the purpose of putting these nylon paper?
The nylon paper. Okay, first it acts like a normal mulch.
Okay.
And another and the most expensive, it assists when, for us, for the fruit when it is producing.
Yes.
The fruits won't struggle to maybe to lay down.
Okay.
Maybe when they lay down on the soil, they might get some infection.
Yeah, I know. When you let tomatoes touch the soil direct, they start rotting or something. Yeah.
So that's what we usually do. That's the main advantage, and also it will maintain the moisture.
Okay. So guys, about the advantages of the nylon paper which is laid there. Basically, the advantages are just to keep the moisture, and also not to let the tomatoes get into contact with the soil. So you can see, this is how frequent will you be harvesting? Is it weekly? Is it
Weekly,
daily?
Weekly.
It's a weekly thing, huh?
For it to give them time for ripening.
Yes.
We usually do it
Yes.
once in a week.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, you have seen the cherry tomatoes. You have seen how they grow, what is the difference, and they're best grown in the greenhouses rather vis-a-vis doing them outside. They do well. You have seen the difference. The normal tomato in a greenhouse, that is how they are, and the cherry tomatoes. The cherry tomatoes are small ones. They are done in mostly packed in pellets, I mean pannets and all that. So you can see how they grow. Beautiful. They're beautiful. Just have a look. Hmm? So with that, we always get motivated when you watch our videos and when you leave a comment down there, when you advise us on what we left. I mean, what we did not advise our fellow farmers. So we normally get. We are very happy when you get new notification. Somebody left a comment. So if you feel like you like to motivate, advise our fellow farmers, please drop a comment down there and let's learn together. So today you have seen that this will be the last video of cherry tomatoes. So maybe when planting again, that's when we're gonna bring you another video. Stay tuned. Please subscribe and watch more videos to learn more. Share with your friends. The link is right there. Share with your friends, at least to get the channel growing. We need to get to 1,000 subscribers. And so far, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for always subscribing. Thank you for always coming back to view the new updates. It's your guy from Benster Farm and Victor from Joel's Farm. Enjoy your day. Thank you.